guys? My name is Jason and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jorodix TV. And here we go again. We're gonna make another requested music video, guys. And this is a Manipur song again. And the guy who requests this music is Premabati Tongbram. Yes, and he wants me to react this Manipur song with the title of Nangbu Yengjaba. Yes, that was the title, and of course the owner of this video, no other than Mami Taibang. Thank you so much, Mami Taibang, for always there to trusting me to react your different music video, especially for Manipur song. So yes, we were going to introduce first the cast of this music. Araba and Dali Goromayum, and I think the singer here are AJ and Pushparani. This was an official music video released this year only, guys, 2021. So before we start, make sure that you're subscribing to my channel, and please don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my reaction video here in my channel, guys. So without further ado, let's get now and watch this video. Special thanks. Oh, it's too much. Nangbu Yengjaba. Oh my God! Another lady, a beautiful lady again. Wow, look at the nail polish of this lady. She like a Cinderella in the forest. Oh my God, so beautiful. They're too much compatible. It's a handsome and a beautiful lady. Like the music. Very romantic. Wear a different dress here. Not only a dress, but a gown. I love it. The gown that she wore. Another gown. Just like a flowers. You know that, guys, I love this part of the music with the romantic scene. Ups. Love it, I love it. There's so much compatibility. I love this guy and I love this lady. Kiss! Kiss! Why? Where is the kiss? Oh my god. That's all! Why like this? Why? This is a very short music, guys. I'm so always hanging with your Manipur song. Oh my. Very romantic. Ooh, yes, thank you so much. Who is the one who requests this? I love also this Prema Bati Tong Bram. Wow, thank you so much, my friend. I love your request. Very excellent performance of this all the cast here in the music video. Wow, what is the meaning of Nangbu Yengjaba? Is there anything related with these two artists here? Very sweet moment. I love it. So guys, I know you also there who watching now. You're falling in love. Yes, every time that I was like this, guys, every time there is a part there, I'm very romantic, guys. I'm so falling in love, especially those who sing this song, guys. The sounds, the music of the this song, it makes me happy and enjoy to watch your music video, and I'm so thankful for that. Wow, thank you so much again, guys. I know you are enjoying this music because me, I'm so enjoy, not only enjoy, but I'm so falling in love because you know the lady, it's just like she's like a roses. Wow, wow. I don't have anything to say, but wow, this is so perfect music, guys. So if you want to watch this in a full screen, just visit Mami Taibang official YouTube channel, and I just put it in my description box. Don't worry. So guys, what else? I know you are enjoying this music, and please, if you like this music, please don't forget to like and share to your families and friends, guys, and please give this a lot of a thumbs up, especially to my reaction of video, guys. And for those new to my channel, please, guys, click that subscribe button and my bell button, guys, to what's this? To update you always on my next reaction of video. So, until the next reaction of video, guys, thank you so much for having me here until the end of this reaction of video. So, until the next reaction of video, I love you guys. God bless you and bye-bye! See you!